Hi
Hello.
Ritik,
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Tell me who has played important role in your life?
Okay, that is the interesting question. So I want to say that my father played important role in my life because he never let me down in every worst situation in coming in my life at the time of progressing to my studies and progressing to the other field. He have provided many facilities to me, and he never let me down. You wanted to do in your life anything. So my father said that I will support you in every situation. So in the financial condition, I always there. But in your field, you have to good in your field. So it's on you to do the great job to in your particular field. So my father always motivates me in every situation, and the best thing I like in my father that he said that in every situation there he will be there.
What does your father do?
My father is a carpet worker. Whenever you see in YouTube videos, whenever you see the house of the foreigner countries, there are some type of carpet are there over there. So the carpet which is transport and export to the other countries. So that type of carpet are made by my father. So he's the manager at that his factory.
Manager as factory.
Yeah.
And what's your field? What do you do?
Now I am preparing for my exam, which is IELTS exam. So yeah, so there are four sections in the IELTS: speaking section, reading section, writing section, and listening section. So by the for preparing my speaking section, I would come to the coaching, AILS coaching,
Why do you not choose your father field?
because there were no scope. There will no scope in my father's field. So that's why I don't prefer my father's field.
And your father not appreciate you? You come in my field anytime.
No, no, no. He even never forced me about it. He said that you want to do anything in your life. Like once in a time in my life, I wanted to join the acting classes. He gave me 3 year to me to do in the acting field. So he will always support me in every situation. Okay, thank you.